A Native American mound is an artificial earthwork built by various North American indigenous peoples for ceremonial reasons, burial reasons, and other purposes. Typically associated with Mississippian culture between 800 and 1500 BC, these mounds often contain artifacts and human remains. And here, we're going to talk about the 5 prominent Native American mounds in the state of Georgia. Let's begin. First off, one of the more well-known Native American mounds in the state are the historic Etowah Mounds in Cartersville. It includes 6 earthen mounds, a plaza, and other features built by the people of the Mississippian culture between 900 and 1550 BC. Next up is the Nakuchi Mound. This archaeological site is a Ocmulgee Mound believed to have been built by the region's local Appalachian Mississippian cultures sometime between 1000 and 1500 BC. The mound is located on the grounds of the historic Nacoochee Valley Mound, also known as the Sautee Nacoochee Indian Mound, and Village Historic Site. Although a parking area on the road is visible to the site, it's currently surrounded by the L.C. Hardman estate property. Also, the gazebo on top was built in 1890, roughly 20 to 30 years before they excavated it and found out it was a Native American site. Next up, in southwestern Georgia lies the Kolomoki Mounds. Created by the Swift Creek and Weedon Island cultures of the Woodland period between 250 and 950 BC. The site includes 7 mounds, a plaza, and a Great Temple Mound. It is one of the largest Woodland period site in the southeastern United States. And fourth are the Ocmulgee Mounds located near Macon, the heart of Georgia. This vast archaeological site of various mounds scattered throughout the area is also one of the largest in the southeast and contains evidence of the cultural and technological development of hunter-gatherer people during the late Archaic and early Woodland periods. These mounds were built around 900 and 1100 BC by the ancestors of Creek and Muskogee tribes. Last but not least is the Rock Eagle Effigy Mound. This Native American site is located in Putnam County and built anywhere between 1000 BC all the way up to 1000 AD. It consists of a 30-foot long mound of quartzite rocks in the shape of an eagle. The site has been of great importance to the Creek Indian people for many centuries, and while it's also a mystery, it is believed to have been used for ceremonial, burial, and other significant spiritual activities. So those are the 5 prominent Native American mounds in Georgia. From what I remember, all of them were free to attend besides the Etowah Mounds being about a $5 cover charge. But either way, I highly recommend stopping by these fascinating sites if you're in the area. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.